Samsung is getting ready to make a big move in the foldable smartphone market with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. This device is expected to fix some of the biggest problems users have complained about in previous foldable phones. From a wider display to better multitasking and improved battery life, Samsung seems focused on making foldables more practical for everyday use instead of just making them look futuristic. One of the biggest upgrades is the new display design. According to leaks, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide will feature a 7.6-inch inner screen with a 4:3 aspect ratio. That might sound technical, but in simple terms it means the screen will feel more like a small tablet instead of a stretched-out phone. This wider layout should make watching videos, editing documents, gaming, and browsing the web much more comfortable. Samsung is also reportedly improving the outer display. When the phone is folded, users will get a 5.4-inch cover screen with a wider design than before. Older fold devices often felt too narrow when closed, making typing and daily tasks awkward. The wider cover screen on the Fold 8 Wide could finally solve that problem. Sending messages, checking notifications, scrolling social media, or replying to emails should feel much more natural. Another important improvement is multitasking. Foldable phones are supposed to help users do more at once, but software and screen limitations sometimes held them back. Samsung wants the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide to become a true productivity device. With the larger display and updated software, users may be able to run multiple apps side by side more smoothly than ever before. Imagine editing a document while watching a video call or browsing the internet while taking notes at the same time. The wider display makes these tasks easier because there is more room for apps to sit comfortably on the screen. Samsung clearly wants this phone to replace both a smartphone and a tablet for many users. Battery life is another area getting attention. Foldable phones usually struggle with battery performance because they have large displays that consume more power. But leaks suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide will come with a 4,800 mAh battery combined with 45W fast charging. That means users could get longer usage times without constantly worrying about charging during the day. And when the battery does run low, the faster charging speeds should help the device power up much quicker. This could make the Fold 8 Wide more reliable for people who travel, work remotely, or spend long hours using their phones. What's surprising is that Samsung may achieve all this while keeping the device lightweight. Reports say the Fold 8 Wide could weigh around 200 grams, which is impressive for a foldable phone with such a large screen. Samsung seems to be trying to balance portability with productivity, something many foldable devices have struggled with in the past. The camera setup on the Fold 8 Wide is expected to stay simple but practical. Rumors mentions dual 50-megapixel rear cameras, including a main sensor and an ultra-wide camera. Samsung may not be trying to turn this into the ultimate camera phone, but the setup should still deliver solid performance for everyday photography and video recording. For most users, this camera system will likely be more than enough for social media posts, family photos, work scans, and casual video content. Samsung appears to be focusing more on the overall foldable experience, instead of packing in unnecessary camera features. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is also expected to shine in entertainment. The larger display and wider aspect ratio should make movies, YouTube videos, games, and reading much more immersive. Unlike previous foldables that sometimes felt cramped or awkward, this new design could finally make foldable screens feel truly useful. Samsung is expected to officially launch the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide on July 22, 2026 during its Unpacked event in London. The device will likely launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8. If these leaks are accurate, Samsung could be setting a new standard for foldable smartphones. Instead of focusing only on flashy technology, the company seems to be solving real user problems like narrow displays, limited multitasking, and battery concerns. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide may finally be the foldable phone that feels practical enough for everyday users while still delivering the futuristic experience people expect from premium devices.